Now that we have discussed all of the lead products in the Rockwell Automation visualization portfolio, let's summarize and compare all of these products. For the machine-level applications, Rockwell Automation leads with several hardware platforms. The PanelView 800 is intended for machine builders for whom product cost is the main concern. It is optimized for use with the Micro 800 controller and is configured in the same free software, CCW. It also works with some, but not all, CompactLogix controllers, specifically the L1, L2, and L3 processors, as well as the MicroLogix family. The newest generation platform in the machine-level category is the PanelView 5000. This platform represents the future of machine-level HMI for Rockwell Automation. It is optimized for Logix controllers and is configured in Studio 5000 View Designer, part of the same software platform used to configure Logix controllers. The PanelView 5000 takes Logix integration to yet another level. It is appropriate to lead with the PanelView 5000 for machine builders who are doing new machine design and existing machine redesign based around Logix controllers. Furthermore, each release of firmware and software adds more capability to the PanelView 5000 family. Refer to the most up-to-date product literature to learn which specific features are included. For customers with a substantial install base of older Logix controllers or RA visualization solutions, the PanelView Plus remains an important offering for Logix applications. PanelView Plus and the corresponding FactoryTalk View ME software offer much better integration capabilities with Logix controllers as compared to competitive HMI products. If a customer currently has a large install base of PanelView Plus, it is appropriate to continue selling PanelView Plus. PanelView Plus is also the only option if the customer needs direct connectivity to legacy automation networks, specifically anything other than Ethernet IP. The mobile view is a movable, tethered terminal with an emergency stop button and enabling switch that otherwise mostly functions like a PanelView Plus because it runs FactoryTalk View ME applications. It is intended for line-of-sight applications where the operator or maintenance staff can benefit from moving the HMI, having an enabling switch, and the e-stop safety functionality. For site-level visualization applications, Rockwell Automation leads with FactoryTalk View SE, a modern, fully featured site-level HMI that includes all functionality that an HMI customer would expect and provides excellent integration with the Logix platform. View SE is a software platform that runs on Windows PCs. These computers may be ruggedized and industrialized like the Rockwell Automation VersaView line, or they may simply be commercial-grade computers from any third-party vendor. View SE is also the preferred visualization platform of PlantPAx, Rockwell Automation's modern DCS for process automation applications. View ME and View SE are both part of FactoryTalk View Studio, a development software package that provides a common look and feel across both machine-level and site-level HMI applications. Having completed this module, you should be able to define the basic concepts of machine-level and site-level visualization and give example applications of each. You should be able to list and define the lead products in each visualization category in the Rockwell Automation portfolio, and you should be able to recognize the differences between these products. Please complete this knowledge check on the concepts covered in this module.